getting the living shit just torn out of it. Lost the front two props when I hit that tree, and it kept trying to fly a bit. Or maybe it was the second hit that took off the props. I don't know. It was kind of behind the tree, but we have video. So that's what will be coming up after this. We'll see what caused this. Oh, and there's also a slight scuff on the battery. No big deal. And yes, of course, it does turn on. Wow. Look at my bed. What the hell's wrong with me? Ugh. Oh no, red lights can't connect. It still connects. It even tried to flew after it crashed. Thank you, Holy Stone, for the Find My Drone and all your apps. In HS Fly, I used it, and it got me right to it. Found it in a cinch. Of course, pretty much all drones do that. So just happy. I'm happy I was able to find it easily before anybody else did. God, I have such cut mouth. I sound like a fat kid. Right, bye.
If you wish to start at the events that led to the crash, I would skip ahead in this video to about, 4 minutes, 15 seconds, 4 minutes maybe. And other than that, if you're not going to skip it and you want to watch the whole thing, then here's some music to keep you going.